Hello everyone, I'm going to unbox the Hikvision IP camera. It's a dome IP camera, 2 megapixel, 2.8 millimeter. It's a model DS 2CD2121. You can see here, okay? So I'm gonna open it. Okay, let's start. Oops. It's the drill template. It's the user manual. This is when you drill your junction box. Just put your network cable here to avoid water going in. And then you got the screws here. You got the Allen key, and then this is just to clean up the lens when you mount it. So always the hand will be dirty. And this is the camera itself. It's heavy. Not that heavy, but yeah, it's heavy. There you go. This is the camera itself. And here you plug your network cable, okay? And then here you plug a 12-volt power supply, but only if your switch is not a PoE switch. If you got a PoE switch, you won't need to connect nothing here. You only plug your network cable here. But if you doesn't have a PoE switch, you're gonna need a 12-volt power supply that will be connected here, and then your network cable will be here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna connect this camera to my computer and then activate it, okay? And then put a password because it's the new camera, okay? Let's do it. Now we are going to activate our IP camera. As you can see it here, it's so inactive, okay? Because the new camera. So what you can do here is to select, okay? When you select, you're gonna have to enter a password here. And then you click activate. As you can see, okay, I don't need this, but if you want, it's very important in case you forget your password. If I just want to put an email here, in case if I forget my password, okay, you can close it. As you can see now, your camera is activate. You can open it on a browser and then see how it looks like. So from here you can have to enter your username. And then a password. Login. Ooh, wrong. Admin. If you fail 6 times, they're gonna block your camera. Again. I want to install it. So what I can do here is do this. Finish. Allow. I still cannot see my camera. Okay, as you can see, this is the camera. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.